Hello, Rambling Biker here. Just thought I'd show you where I ended up. This is my lovely little Airbnb where I'm staying for a few days. And well, let's have a little walk around. I'm on my way somewhere. But as you can see, we've got some chickens over there who roam around freely. Beautiful garden. And a forest right next to the car park. Well, car park, this is their actual private house, so it's just a driveway. And there's actually a UNESCO protected heritage site. Lovely woodland and wildlife just there. And yeah, I'm just about to head off for some birthday celebrations with my brother-in-law. And I wanted to bring the camera along, A, to show you where I'm staying, but B, because there's this really nice windmill, if I can find it, which is kind of along the way. So I'm going to find that hopefully along the way, and I'll point it out when we get there. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, so this is the driveway to the property. As you can see, it's a very popular area with walkers. Hello. Hey. And there's a big car park there. It's all very good. Nice gravel driveway. And it's straight out onto this kind of quite fast road, to be honest. Which isn't a problem. I thought it might be noisy at night, but it's actually really not. It's actually fine. There's very few cars, and the ones that do come, just to give you the knowledge that you're not completely alone, because it is kind of in the middle of nowhere, really. Otherwise. And I'm taking my time here because although I am probably late, because I nearly always seem to be late getting around to my sister's place so far, I'm not really rushing. Here we go now. Won't keep you with me the whole time. I just thought I'd show you that bit. You can see where we're located in the woods. It's pretty nice out here. Okay, I'm going to switch off and I'll come back to you when we're getting close to that windmill that I wanted to explore. I didn't realise it was quite as close as that. It's just down to my first roundabout, which I should have shown you actually. The roundabouts are really nice the way they're laid out. I want to show you that another time. But anyway, here's the windmill. Isn't that pretty? I quite fancy a walk up that little mound there at some point, if I'm allowed, and have a little walk around it. It's so nice. I mean, some of these windmills are now being lived in, so I don't know whether I can, but I'll have a explore, see if I can do that in a little while. Well, this is some of the, obviously, Calimoto one. Some of the back roads. I got off the main road, like within 1.4 kilometres it is, some of the roundabout, and then from there on it's all sort of back roads, which are really lovely, as you can see. It's green fields. Look at that, beautiful blue sky with some fluffy clouds, multicoloured clouds, like porpoises jumping through the sky. And as in England, towns 50, and some are even 40, so that's like 30 and 20. Here we go, is a 40, so that's basically the equivalent of a 20-mile-an-hour zone, and that's absolutely fine. And otherwise, if you're in any kind of rural area, it's 50 kilometres, which is 30, which is, like the same as in the UK. And then as soon as you leave, it either goes up to 60, or if it's national speed limit, it's 80, which everybody ignores and does about 100. And I'm told that's like standard. Anyway, that was a tiny little town called Calimoto, and as you see, it goes straight up to 60 now, which is, I don't know exactly what that is. It's like 40 something, I suppose, 42 or something, and then ever so quickly we'll come into another town and it'll go back down again. But how gorgeous is this? As I say, the Danes love to fly their flags, and they're flying. Gorgeous, gorgeous countryside, beautiful roads, few cars. I can't say no cars, because there are some. But it's absolutely gorgeous out here. Okay, that means the 60 now does not apply. Now that could mean that it goes up, but in this case it goes down because it's straight into a town. Anyway, it meant the 60 stops applying. But we're now into a town. I'm actually going too slow, 34. But there are these bumps. I think it said 4 bumps, did it? They always tell you how many bumps there are, which is really quite kind, isn't it? Anyway, that's 2. Let's see if I did see the sign right. That's 3. And til salg means for sale, so if any one of you are interested, I've no idea what they go for around here, but apparently where I am, Hørsholm, is an expensive area. There's lots of golf clubs. There's a museum there. These sort of right is depending on who gets there first, basically, right of way. Was that 4? Who was counting? Either way, it definitely is more than 4, because that's another one. So that must be 5. So that's the end of that town. Yeah, it was probably 7, wasn't it? At the end of that town, we go up. And we're right in the middle of lovely countryside. And as you notice, there are hills, contrary to popular belief. Oh, hold on. That is a little propeller aircraft. I'm going to just slow down and take a little moment. I'll have a little watch where he goes. Just pull over here. It's a real one, not a model one. Cars around me. Cheerio plane. Haven't got time to wait and watch you. Fun though you might be. Okay. Off we go again. I hope that gives you a little feel for how things are out in the kind of back roads around here in Denmark. I mean, I'm north of Copenhagen. I'm in a place called, the region is called Hørsholm. H-O-R-S-H-O-L-M. Well, O with a line through it. So it's a Hørsholm. And yeah, I'm not gonna keep you with me the whole time. But just to give you a little flavour, thought I'd let you see. See you later.